Good morning, one and all. My name is Manohar. I am studying ninth class from ZPHS Satuluru. Today, my project name is OTP based security system. Through this system, we can protect our personal information from hackers. Hackers hack our personal information and take money from our accounts. Through this system, every minute, the Bluetooth sends a OTP to our app. Through this OTP, only we can unlock the device. When we enter the OTP, then it will open its device. Therefore, it will not be closed. Hackers would be hard to open our system information to hackers, and it would be helpful for us to keep safe our personal information. Okay, thank you.